Rua da Barca de Lenha,柴船尾街, firewood boat street, Barca de Lenha. Come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Barca de Lenha, Undonga. Barca de Lenha. Walking down柴船尾街, walking down Rua da Barca de Lenha. Come on, Macau. Tell me how. Tell me how. Tell me how.
Okay, this street is called Rua da Barca de Lenha. It's kind of cool, like this that painted yellow building, and then you also have this beautiful balcony you can see all the way up like that too, right? So we're gonna be walking down this street. It's a little alley. I'll put it in some context. In a moment, we'll put it up on the map. But it's right next to this Malo Street right here, which has the Hotel Centro right there. So that green one. Has also some beautiful balconies in here. Here's that one that we're gonna look at before we go down the street. We're gonna be going down this alley, and not too far from is also this Rua da Felicidade. So I might actually give you a little bit of context of everything before we go down. But first, let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's going to be our target street right there. Go down over there. San Malo is down that way, down that direction, and we're going to end up in that way at the end of this video. And then down this way is Felicidade. So that street is kind of a prostitution. You see, historically used to be a prostitution nightlife area, fan houses, opium dens, and such like that. And that was right there. So let's go back like that a little bit before we go down our street. I think I'm going to go down it first a little bit, and then we're going to walk down and try to give you a little bit of context to that. So let's start going down first. That hotel is 1928, by the way. So I think this whole area would have been around that time period, about 100 to 150 years ago. And then when that Central Hotel, just like that green one down that street, when that came out, that kind of changed the like that was kind of the hotel to stay at. So I guess they had like big parties and like stuff up on one of the floors that was open to the public. And people from all over the city would go there to socialize. So yeah, that was kind of a big deal. And then not too far from here is also this Felicidade Street, which was where all the nightlife was also at. So that whole area would have been, this whole area would have been kind of key to the heart of Macau at that time. And also the boats would come in straight ahead of us. So that was connected to Hong Kong, and kind of any sailors could come in from anywhere. That was kind of I guess they call it the inner harbor. So it's a little bit safer than the other one. The other one was called Praia Grande, which was like a beach called Big Beach. So that one was a little bit different. Okay, I'm probably walking a little bit fast here. So let's give a little bit of context of where we are. Basically walking in these alleys. Kind of what they look like. We'll keep on going down. Some scooters parked to the sides. Okay, so we'll keep on going down. And let me see, okay. This is kind of strange right there. And I think we even have, we're going to be walking to the left in a minute and to see what this goes to. This is just a little Travessa de Matapau. I'm gonna tie it because sometimes I'm a little bit curious how these little streets go. And this just goes into small apartments, so you can see some people live up in here in this area, and then it's a dead end right here. So we just turned back around, but somebody's repotting some plants, I guess. Okay, and then there's a shrine. I walked right by that. Sometimes there's things you don't even notice. I think that wards off spirits. I think that's the what's that called? There's a mirror, has kind of reflection to it, and the way the design is set up, kind of bagua mirror. It's like bagua mirror, I think. But yeah, wards off evil spirits. This is kind of cool. So I think they set up some stuff in these alleys. So this one looks like maybe they had some street food maybe. These look like containers, but they also look like they could double as chairs maybe. Our street's gonna keep on going down, and then we're gonna end up down that way in a few minutes. That building right there is a historic pawn shop. So before people would pawn some of their things there. And then you can see the building has small little windows, and some of it has almost no windows. But that is, they'd store all the big expensive items up there so that people might not steal it back, because you're dealing with some desperate people that are trying to pawn their stuff. So that pawn shop, we're gonna go, continues our street. But yeah, that is the pawn shop right there. This is our target street right here. Barca de Lenha, in case you didn't know, that's the Portuguese is named after a type of boat that was here historically, and some of these old streets are named after different types of boats that would go up and down the waterways in this area. So so that's what our street name is named after. This hotel, 1903. So this one, 1903. This is the famous Rua da Felicidade. And then this is the street that had all the entertainment, so all the sing-song girls, fan-tan gambling houses, I believe even opium dens. And you can see this little stairs that go up. So I think that maybe the girls would be up there, or maybe they could even call down from there. But they would entertain people. So they would entertain them. So I guess most of those girls were kind of like the Japanese geisha, like very skilled at entertainment. This is that famous restaurant right here. Since 1903. So yeah, that's where all these sing-song girl houses were at. Okay, so Pont 16 is directly down that way. That's where the waterfront, historically, actually this is all reclaimed land. So everything we're on is all reclaimed land. But when they built this nightlife area, they kept extending it outward, and then that's where it's at currently in that spot. So we're gonna go back to our target street, which is Barca de Lenha, named after a type of Portuguese boat that sailed in this area. So yeah, this area was all reclaimed land. Like, so up there where Felicidade is at, that goes up to the historic Portuguese area that has more history to it. And then this here would have been reclaimed land. So if that restaurant was 1903, it might have been maybe 1880s or 1890s that they reclaimed this land. And then a lot of these names will have like this one is named after a boat. Other ones will have names like Boilermaker in Portuguese. So they'll have different references like that to like different maritime types of things. And some of these streets are just called like Nova something. It's like Nova Street and the new whatever. Okay, so our street continues down. Matadoro is like slaughterhouse, so I think that street used to be maybe like where they would slaughter meats. Kind of a cool looking building. Okay, we're going to continue down our Barca de Lenha. I've always liked Barca de Lenha. I don't know why. I just always thought it was kind of a cool little back alley. So our street's going to go a little bit more. We follow it down. And I'm not sure the last time, I've been here a few times and filmed it, but if you want to see some other incarnations of what it looked like a few years ago, I always have it in the thumbnail. You can always go back, look at it from, so maybe it's been a few years already. Maybe some of it could have changed. I would have focused on slightly different things each time as well. It's kind of interesting. This is like a little fire escape, but it just goes right to that door. I wonder if that's actually used, or if that's just the back side. But yeah, every time you go down the streets, like you'll see things that you never saw before. So I never saw that little fire escape thing before. Never really noticed it. Also in the street, there's also a tree that used to be into the built into here, and I don't see it anymore. So I'm kind of curious what happened to that. There's our Target street. Now you can see. So yeah, there's one of them that had like a tree, and I think they might have actually taken it out. But now you can see this whole alley. Then we're gonna go and look down this way. Just kind of look. Actually, if you look up, you can even see like these little things. It's like a balcony up there too. But I can see a little rooftop up there. And this one even has chairs that go all the way down as well. And it looks like they have some kind of new market right there as well. I'm just gonna walk down there real quick. Just see. But this is something that's new, compact market, and it says dumplings, ramen, pizza. And I don't think I've really noticed this one before. I think it's new, so even brown sugar, ginger fresh milk. Okay, so I'm going to go down this way. So that is our Target Street, directly down that way. And then we're also going to go to the San Malo. So the San Malo Street is right here. So we're going to take a look down it. Try to capture that so you can see it close. So now you can see kind of the arcade look of it as well. Then all the black and white tiles everywhere as well. So it kind of has a nice, beautiful image to it, especially all these little black and white tile things. And then that's kind of the main street. So this would have been built maybe 150 years ago, approximately. So they would have built this to connect the city into where the ocean is at. So anyways, Parco Lenha da Barca. Lenha da Barca was our focus. We were just gonna look down this real quick. And that was our little alley was that one right there. There's some hotels down that way as well. And so we were basically down this little alley. And now we're looking out on the street. So let's just end it right here. So yeah, our street is parallel. So this one is this one. Our street is that one. And then the next one would have been Felicidade.